everything is white. The only thing I have working is wind turbine. We have no power, so the backup system is up and running. Still have heat and lights and whatever I need. And that's the only power source right now. I can hear other people running their backup generator. I've been telling y'all, get a backup generator. In times like these. Alright, it's 4 o'clock in the morning and it's starting to snow a little bit again. Got the backup generator over here. Still no power. Lost power. Backup generator going. I don't think the sun will make any power today. Okay, guys. Trying to go to the gas station. Get some more gas for my generator. Have to help this guy jump his car today. Almost done. He's gonna jump over here. He's been stuck at the gas station for an hour. Help him jump it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how I hook the generator up to my house. So this is the generator I used during the power outage. This is the day after I'm shooting this, so most of the ice has already melted and it's nice and sunny right now. So this is the generator I used, okay? So what I do is that my extension cord is out here. So I would just fire my generator up and I would just plug it into the generator, and I'll show you the other half of this where this cord goes to. It goes inside the garage, and I just close the garage door on top of this cord. Okay guys, so if you're wondering how do you get the power from the generator to the house, and how do you control what circuits get feed by the generator power, this is a Reliance control transfer switch, ProTran. It has two gauges right here that can tell you which side is getting the power, so you can kind of balance your load when you hook it up. So what this does is, this right here, this is the input where the generator power comes in. So this has 10 circuits. So you're gonna pick which circuits you want to power in your house. So you'll install this, the electrician will install this in your house, and they will connect it to your breaker box. So it goes into the wall to the breaker box. So what you're gonna do is pick which circuits you want. I have my kitchen, my microwave, the master bedroom, master bath, garage, my detached garage, living room, and like septic system, and the fridge, and the heater. So that's my 10 circuits. There's a 4 circuit, 6 circuit, 10 circuit. So it depends on which one you want and how many circuits you want to pick. Most people would just want the master bedroom, the refrigerator, the heater. So if you look closely, you'll see gen, off, line. So like this one right here, I have it on the generator. And this one right here, I have it on the generator. Everything else is on the power grid. So when we lose power, I just come out here and manually flip it up to gen. That's how I switch my thing. So this one right there, I would just come, flip it up, and it would be powered by the generator now. If I put it in the middle, it'd turn off that circuit. So there would be no power in the master bedroom. I put it all the way down, it would be ran off the grid. So this line, this right here goes to the generator. So you just run it outside. I just run an extension cord outside to my generator and close the garage door on top of it. So that's how I get my power, from the generator to this transfer switch to the grid. So you guys better be thinking of installing one of these. So once you lose power, you just connect your generator, pick what circuits you want to power, and that's it. Real simple. This box right here, I'll put a link in the description where you can find it. Alright guys, well, that's it for how I connect my generator to my house. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. And guys, stay safe out there and stay warm. Have a nice day.